It's a very cold day today. Had a very cold night. We actually had a couple days of snow, and this is the perfect time to make some spring soaps. Of course, by the time you see this video, it will be nice and probably warmer out. This is going to be a wild prairie theme soap. So I kind of made a similar design several years ago, but what I want to do is have the bottom layer to have some grass. I'm going to use 3 different colors of green. I'm going to use like a hanger tool to push it down to hopefully get some lines of maybe prairie type looking grass. And then I'm going to have some purple and pink a little bit on top. And then I want to do a kind of a wispy sky with white and blue. And I think it's going to be really pretty. Now with the snow days that we had, I always like to, have a good day and make some soap dough. So I'm going to I have these 2 little guys here that are butterflies, and it's mostly purple, but it's kind of a mix of purple with a little bit of pink. And then I have some leftover colors, so these are going to just be little flowers. And I have one that is, this will go a long ways. I'm going to use my long mold. I've got one that is kind of some orange and yellow, and the other one is some purple, pink, and then a little bit of green to have that little bit of a leaf. So those will go on there too. So I think I'm going to do 2 different rounds of it, so to speak. So I'll have the bottom layer, and I want that to set up enough. So the green and then the flower layer, I want it to set up enough to not have the sky break through it. If I'm going to be using actually a blend of 4 different fragrances, and all of them behave really, really well separately. I just don't know how it's going to work with the combination of them. So we're kind of play it by ear with that. And I think it'll work fine. We'll see. Sometimes, we have some little issues, but we'll play it, like I said, we'll play it by ear once I get in there. So this blend, I have my note right here. This is it's a kind of a warm sun and fresh greens blend with notes of bergamot, lemon, mint, green tea, rose lily, amber, moss, violet, honeysuckle, and aloe. And it smells so fresh and just like being out in the prairie. Another thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm actually making this batch a little bit bigger because there's some spring soaps I want to make next week, and I'm going to be pouring off some of the batter for that. So if you see me doing some other things, that's what's going on. So I'm gonna pour off some little embeds for a soap I'm gonna do next week. So anyway, I'm waiting for my oils to get to the right temperature, and then we'll come back when I make the soap.